के लिए दुआ करते रहना बेटा।
Here's my lunch for today for my family because I share everything with you. So here's the saag, sarson ka saag. Here's the gajar ka halwa. Here's the lacha parantha, and this is the garlic pickle. See the beautiful gajar halwa. So tasty, so colorful. If you want the recipe of this in a particular video, I'll share with you, or you can even DM me or mail me. This looks so tasty and yummy for sure. Have it, my family. This is for you. Meow. Hello family, welcome to my new vlog. And here comes your beautiful all-time favorite barefooter. And I am from India, Mumbai, Maharashtra. So I always come with a new concept, with new video, and the main motive of my video is only to make you, provoke you to do barefoot walking. And I just keep on awareing about the barefoot benefits. So now let's go more and discover this beautiful mama. I just love to make my feet more and more dirty in any of the place, whether it is a trash, whether it is anything, because I just want to make it as dirty as possible. Let's go barefoot and let's see the public reaction. This is how I do my daily routine. This is nothing new for me, but for the people it's always new. What about in your country? Is that new for them? They feel strange or something while you walk barefoot? Because in my country, people make different reactions. I mean, see, this boy will just make different reaction. Like I'm an animal or something. I am like an alien. But no, I just love my mama. That's it. And I am even the product of my mama. My mama is my mom, and I only know her. That's it. And my YouTube family too. Listen to the beautiful nature voice while I'm walking more and more. I can run, I can walk on this. And thanks for always showering the love as well as the care and supporting me always, because I'm getting the love from all over the world. Thanks, family. My little friends are the stray cats, the stray dogs always, and the beautiful nature. The temperature of India is a little high today, but I am walking barefoot. Below, here she walks. Everyone here is having a footwear, but I just want to decase them. I want to make them free, because this is what we want when we love our mama. As I share my walking routine with you, I'm sharing my lunch also. Have a look of it. It's beautiful, it's tasty, the nature, as well as the tasty food always for you. Because you are my family, so that's why I share each and everything. I just love to walk around the nature and everywhere. See the greenery, beautiful dense greenery. Tell me in the comment section, do you plant the trees or do you prefer deforestation? Because we love our mama earth, so we want more and more plants and trees. No case, no footwear. I am free. This is the beauty of nature. Let's continue to have our evening meal. Be with me and check out. So here I am to eat something for evening. So I prefer to eat street food now because it's tasty as well as fresh too. So I'm going to eat the dosa, masala dosa, cheese one. I'll show you.
ये मसाला डोसा है अभी चीज मसाला लाने का
So here's my dosa for my family. Come on, have it now. Take it, otherwise. I'm so down to earth. I'm eating the street food outside because I don't care. I just love my mama. I don't have any attitude at all. Look.
चीज मसाला
Okay. So this one is another one. This is cheese one. So guys, finally I'm sleeping now. Good night. I'm really tired. See my beautiful galaxy up. Really tired now. Good night everyone. Enjoy barefooting. See you tomorrow.